We also have a development of Traka which we call IFOB per person, where we actually write to the IFOB the personal profile of each user as held within the Traka 32 database. And this information is generated dynamically as the user takes out the IFOB. Let me show you how this works. I come along and identify myself again with my PIN number, use my finger. If OK, the door pops open. I then select an IFOB that I might require. So perhaps I might take key number 18. Actually, as I press the button, the system says it's programming, and within that moment in time, it's actually written to the IFOB my personal access profile. And this allows me access to vehicles, equipment, buildings, rooms, whatever the application may be. An example is to control access to tool cabinets used in aircraft manufacture. One of the big issues in aircraft manufacture is to ensure that tools are always returned after use. And if we can audit who had access to any particular tool cabinet, we can therefore trace back to find out where they were working if a tool was missing, and therefore hopefully find the missing tool. So in this case, my IFOB is going to be used to open this tool cabinet. So first of all, I need to wake up the cabinet because this might be battery backed perhaps, or battery operated, so it's in a sleep mode. So we wake it up by pressing this little button on the front. We know it's come to life when the little light here flashes red on the IFOB receptor, and we use the IFOB to open the cabinet. And so long as it's a valid IFOB, the light goes green, the door clunks open, and we can pull open the drawer. Therefore, I now have access to this particular tool cabinet. And more to the point, the IFOB has recorded that I visited this particular tool cabinet at this particular time. And that information is retained on the IFOB and will continue to build up that audit trail until it's returned to the cabinet at the end of my shift. The very action of returning the key to the cabinet downloads that information against my record. So there's a complete history of where I've been working during the course of my shift.